What is Copilot in 2026? Microsoft Copilot is an AI ecosystem powered by the GPT 5.2 series. It's designed to bridge the gap between searching for information and getting work done. The biggest shift this year is the move toward Agentic AI. While older versions waited for you to prompt them, the 2026 version of Copilot can proactively suggest actions, manage multi-step workflows, and even work on your behalf in the background. The core technology, how it works. Copilot doesn't just guess words, it operates through a three-pillar system. The LLM, GPT-5.2, the brain that processes logic and language. It now features Think Deeper mode for complex reasoning and quick response for speed. The Microsoft Graph. This is the secure vault of your data, your emails, calendar, chats, and documents. Copilot uses this to provide answers that are personalized specifically to your job. Work IQ, a new 2026 intelligence layer that learns your habits. It remembers your preferred formatting, your common collaborators, and your project history to provide context-aware suggestions. Game-changing features you should be using. Agent Mode, the doer. Available in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, Agent Mode allows Copilot to move from passive suggestions to active collaboration. You can watch Copilot live edit a document or build a pivot table in real time, explaining its reasoning as it goes. Voice Catch-up and Control. For the mobile professional, Voice Catch-up in Outlook and Teams is a lifesaver. With a single tap, Copilot summarizes your unread messages, highlights what's urgent, and lets you draft replies completely hands-free using natural speech. Privacy and the Recall Safety Net. A major concern in 2026 is data privacy. Microsoft has introduced locally stored workbooks for Excel, allowing organizations to process sensitive data without it ever leaving the local network. Furthermore, Copilot's memory is entirely under your control. You can view, edit, or wipe what the AI remembers about your preferences at any time. Pro tip: if you want to see the true power of Copilot today, try the Workback Plan command. Tell Copilot, I have a project deadline for X on Friday. Create a workback plan and add the tasks to my planner. It will handle the scheduling for you. Together, let's build a workplace equipped for the digital age. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and get notified on daily updates.